Hi, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 5G and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. Just select one from the available applications, you could rename it. Also here we got library with different folders with the icons. Also you could use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. Just select one from the icons, tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should just keep the videos. And after that you could click here to add button to add your shortcuts to the home screen. And we could change next icon and go to desktop by the same way. So this is the new calculator icon and this is the regular one. Where is it? Okay, calculator. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.